Rhinoceros is a play which is written by Eugene Ionescu. So, Eugene Ionescu was born in the year 1909 and died in the year 1994. Rhinoceros is an anti-Nazi play. Here we can see the characters like Beringer, Jay, Logician, Daisy, Bootert, Dudert, Papillon, and the Bews. The Bews means the Bew and his wife, Mrs. Bew. And here the protagonist is Beringer, and Jay is his friend. Friend of Beringer is Jay. Jay is well dressed, and Daisy is actually Daisy works in the same office of Beringer and Jay. She is a young blonde woman. Then comes Dudert. Dudert also works with Beringer in same office. He is a good-hearted person. Next comes Bootert. Bootert also works in Beringer's office. We can see that he argues with false logic. Then the logicians. The logician also only appears in the first act. Then comes the waitress. Uh, she also comes in the first act. She only presents in first acts. Then comes the old gentleman, common person, Mrs. Bew, and Mr. Papillon is the boss of the office, Beringer's office. Here is three acts, and second act has two parts, and first act starts. First act actually sets in a cafe where Beringer, the protagonist, and Jay met on Sunday. Uh, Beringer and Jay gossips normally, and suddenly they can listen a sound of rhinoceros. Who is the rhinoceros? The rhinoceros is actually Mr. Bew, who works in their office. He transforms into a rhino. After seeing the rhino, all the persons of the cafe they reacted in the same way. Oh, a rhinoceros. Here also Daisy came. Daisy also saw the rhino. All of the presentee actually saw the rhino. Then comes the second act. In the second act, it is set in the office of Beringer, where the boss is Papillon. I have already stated that here works Jay, Beringer, Mr. Durant, Daisy. So here in second act, the rhino, Mr. Bew, came, and Mr. Bew's wife, Mrs. Bew, also came and told the persons of office that her husband has turned into a rhino, and then Mrs. Beauf also turned into a rhino. Then comes the Act 2, Scene 2. I have stated that was Scene 1, and now I am going to discuss about Act 2, Scene 2. It is set in Jay's house. Jay is feeling ill, and there came Mr. Berenger, the protagonist. Uh, Jay's voice was turning like a rhino, and finally Jay has turned into a rhino. Berenger became shocked. Then comes the then comes Act 3. It is set in Berenger's house. Here uh, comes Daisy and Mr. Durant. Actually, Berenger does not want to turn into a rhino. He is fearing if he will turn into a rhino. So Berenger and Durant, we can see the conversation between Berenger and Durant. Berenger is asking Durant that if he is turning into a rhino, or whether there is any symptom of rhino in Berenger or not. Durant said no, it's not. Then we can see the conversation between Berenger and Daisy, and they both confesses their love for each other. Finally, Berenger and Daisy both saw that all of the people have turned into rhino. The logician, Dudert, Mr. Papillon, the boss, all of them have turned into rhinoceros. Finally, Daisy also turned into a rhino, though Berenger did not turn into a rhino. Finally, Berenger is the only person who has not turned into a rhino. He is the only person as a human being. So that's it. This is all about rhinoceros. There is 3 acts. So that's it. Thank you all. If you like my video, then please subscribe.